Okay, so let's look at another one here. This is another resume. So this is something that has been, again, is a very well formatted, good looking resume. Now, this person has, these are nice colors and things like that, but at the same time, there's a lot of stuff going on. The colors take away to some extent from the message, and that is a problem. This probably is a PDF, by the way, that's been converted, so that's why it looks a little weird. But I don't like all of these colors because I just don't think in this formatting and so forth. So let's take a look at this person. Okay, so all of this stuff here that they're saying at the top, where they're talking about develop deep expertise in litigation, insurance matters, like that type of stuff is presumed by what their description of everything that they've done in the resume. All of this stuff isn't really, again, the stuff at the beginning isn't really necessary. Unless, again, the tort law, property damage, anybody that hires this person is going to be an attorney. So they're going to understand what this person does right away. They're not going to need to see all this. So all that stuff can go. Then experience, you can see they didn't write legal experience, they wrote experience, which is good. Then you have this person's a managing attorney. They oversee the day-to-day operations of the litigation division. Then here again, they say they oversee the litigation department of attorneys and paralegals. Okay, so I like this. Actually, these bullet points are fairly interesting. And I'll tell you why, because it's basically saying that this person can come in and manage things, and they do training and so forth. And then they're doing operations and they understand operations. And then, do they spell litigation? Yeah, no. Okay, yeah. And again, I don't think you need to put in stuff like excellent verbal litigation skills, department, and trial. So everything needs to be shortened to trial, and then in trial, everything needs to be shortened just to make it easier for people and to look at. And I like this resume. This person has very good skills, but everything again needs to be shortened. And person has very good skills, and this is a good attorney. But at the same time, they have a lot of management experience, so they could come into a company or an insurance company and manage things very well. The only thing I would recommend would be maybe a lot of this stuff could be taken down. Anytime someone says like 46% and stuff, those kind of numbers are always suspect. Forgetting to add hyphens and so forth and having all these errors is not helpful. I would try to make this much shorter. I don't know that if you went to law school in 1998 that you need to put anything in about moot court. And I don't know, you don't need to put this in. And all you need to say is admitted in New York. Everyone knows you're admitted to New York, but you could just say, New York, 1998. And I don't know what CLM is, but it could be good. But people are going to assume all this stuff. And then education, so you can see here. And then again, this is someone that didn't put in the date. So this person graduated probably in 2000. They did put in the date, 1998, but they didn't put in their college graduation date. I would just put in your college graduation date, even if you did a bunch of stuff before college. And then you can see here, suddenly this is one page. It could be even shorter if you took out some of this stuff, and then you could put a transaction sheet that kind of shows all of your trials and so forth. I do want you to see something, and I do want to highlight something for everyone here real quickly. And I just want to show you the difference between how this stuff is being thought through. Earlier, we looked at who is this person. That was really a good resume.